I know it doesn't look like it, but this huge thing is a humidifier. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Vornado Lucerna 3 Alchemy Ultrasonic Humidifier. That is a mouthful. Vornado is known for their air circulation and comfort products, and this humidifier is designed not just for the utility, but for aesthetic impact as well. The Lucerna 3 promises strong humidification, ambient lighting, quiet operation, and a visually appealing form. I'll walk through how it performs, how to use it, what I liked and what I didn't, and whether it's worth including in your room. So be sure to check the YouTube description down below for any links and discounts to this humidifier. All right, let's get started. Let's begin with a quick overview of what the Lucerna 3 brings to the table. This unit is designed for whole room humidification, targeting spaces up to around 600 square feet. It holds around 1.5 gallons of water in its tank with a 28-hour runtime on the lowest setting. The design is roughly 18 inches tall and has a ribbed, textured amber tank, making it look more like a designer piece rather than just a functional appliance. Physically, it looks a lot more taller than most humidifiers, and the finish gives it more of a premium look. Here's how to use this humidifier on a daily basis. It's pretty simple, but I'll walk you through the steps. Place the humidifier on a flat, elevated surface, a nightstand or a side table where mist won't directly hit electronics or walls. Remove the tank lifting straight up, unscrew the cap, and fill with cool distilled water. Replace the cap, set the tank on the base, and plug the unit in. Tap the power touch button to turn it on. The default mode is usually low humidity with 100 light brightness. Tap the humidity button to choose low or high output. For overnight, I found low works best because it quietly maintains comfort without pushing a lot of visible mist. Tap the light button to choose brightness, 100%, 50%, or 25% and off. You can run the light without humidification if you like the ambient glow. When the water level drops, a low water indicator will flash or pulse and the unit will auto shut off to prevent damage. Now, how do you clean it? Unplug, lift the tank, and empty remaining water. Clean the tank with mild dish soap and cool water. Clean the base by filling it with a half and half mix of white vinegar and water for 20 minutes, then wipe it down to remove mineral residue. Let all the parts dry fully before reassembly. Now let's dig into some key features that set this humidifier apart. The Lucerna 3 uses a dual fan system to distribute humidity more evenly around a full room than just directed mist output. One of its standout features is the built-in candle-like ambient light. You can turn the humidification on or off independently of the illumination and choose from different brightness levels. This adds a relaxing atmosphere, which is great for bedrooms or lounges. The unit uses base touch controls for power, 2 humidity speeds, and 3 light brightness levels. A low water indicator and auto shut-off are built in for safety and convenience. On the low setting, runtime is listed up to 24 to 28 hours for a fill. High settings runtime is significantly shorter, and the specs show that the tank is 1.5 gallons and output up to about 3 gallons of vapor over that time. And its design is one of my favorite parts because, it is so unusual. The ribbed amber tank and premium materials make this humidifier stand out visually. During testing, I wanted to see how loud or quiet it was because it is so big. The low fan setting was pretty quiet, and honestly, you'd barely notice it running while sleeping, and the mist output seemed sufficient for my space, and the ambient light also added a pleasant glow without being distracting. The auto shutoff triggered properly when the tank was low. However, on the highest mist setting, I did notice that it was pretty loud, so that's something to keep in mind if you are a lighter sleeper. Now let's talk about how much it costs and Vornado's policies. The Lucerna 3 costs around $75 on Amazon and is backed by a 5-year limited warranty, which is generous compared to many humidifiers. Depending on sales and promotions, you may find it for less, so be sure to check the YouTube description down below. Finally, let's break down some pros and cons, starting with the pros. The Lucerna 3 looks far nicer than most humidifiers and can double as decor. With its larger tank and dual fan design, it can handle a larger space. And also, it doubles as a nightlight. Now on for the cons. If you were hoping to use this as an aroma diffuser and humidifier, Vornado states it's not designed for essential oils. It also gets pretty heavy once the water is added. And at around 18 inches tall, it takes up more space and may not be as portable. If you plan on purchasing this humidifier, let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye!